sweat of your brows, may we enjoy prosperity, possess the priceless gift of your peace, and as the church alive in the home, bear witness in this world to your glory. Bless the sick who are here present. Grant them the healing they desire in accordance with your will. Be close to our elderly brothers and sisters when we worry about past failings. May we rejoice in your mercy, and when we think of the future, may we rely on you as their hope. Help our brothers and sisters who are traveling and give them a safe journey. Under your protection, let them safely reach their destination and come at
Viva Señor Santo Niño!
Viva Señor Santo!
Pagpaka na itong pagbalik sa Señor